Welcome students, myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav and this is my new video of class 7th and your chapter is chapter 6 HTML basics, and today I will cover that contents given on your book page number 85, 86, 87. Okay, the body tags and its attributes. The body tag, as we have learned, is a container tag that encloses all the text, images and other elements that make up a web page. This tag has several attributes that we can use to specify formatting features for entire HTML document. Some of the important attributes are listed in the following table. There is a BG color, text and background. That is attributes we use in a body tag. Okay, and that how you can add that BG color, then body BG color and is equal to, and in double inverted comma you have to write a color name. And if you want to text, then body text, and you have to which color of that text you want to appear, then you have to type the color here also. And body background and any picture or any image if you want to on that background, then you have to pass the image file to be set as a background. So using the body tag with its attributes, that is very easy. I will already type something for you. So that is some codes are there. So how you have to run it. Okay, and if you want to any image or there, then you have to, I will show you first. I will show you BG color and text. So I will type something for you. First we have to save this. Okay, how we can, first you have to create and save a file. Okay, save, and if you have to save that file, type the name for that file, whatever is that. If I type animal, whatever is that. Okay, animal dot html. Okay, now save, it will be saved. Okay, I have to, how will viewing this animal, to go to the file or folder where that file is saved, to go to the documents where that file is saved, animal. Look here, this is the animal documents. Okay, now look, this is my HTML document. Okay, look, and you have to open it. Double click on that. This will look here. This is the body. In this I will show you the, look here, the body BG color is equal to yellow, the background color, and the text is red. Okay, so the text is displayed in red and the background color is shown in a yellow. Okay, if you want to change any, if you want, if I type here green, I will type for you green. Okay, and the modifications, and then you have to save it again. Okay, and now look here, look here. Okay, so that is very easy. You have to change it. So that is the background color is green and text is red. Okay, now if I want to, if you want to using any background attribute, then how you can is do it. So body background, now here I have to type here, not BG color is not there, I have type here background B and D, and where is the image, so you have to select the proper specification of the image, which image you want, then you have to select it, any image you want, any image. Where is that image? Okay, if any photos I have there. No, this is not my photo. Okay. any image. Okay, if it's my photo is there, okay, how I will show you. So this is the path of that. What is that path? D drive photo. This is the path, D drive photo. Look here, I will show you, is equal to D drive now photo, PHOTO photo, and then aksh.jpg. okay, I will show you. Save. And now look, my photos appear on that background. Okay, so this is the way you have to select it. How you will change? You have to write body, background, and type the path. Okay, where is that image is saved? My photo is saved in the D drive, is in the photo folder, and the name of file is aksh.jpg. okay, so that is the way you have to use the backgrounds. Okay students, if you want to, that is the way you have to. Now I will change it. Okay, bg color is equal to blue. Okay, and I have to save it again, and then you have to refresh it. Okay, so look here. Now inserting line breaks in a web page. To insert a line break, then the tag is a BR tag, is an empty tag used to insert a line break. When we want to display the text in the next line, we insert a line break. Then what is the written here? Body text, and then you have to use in the BR. Okay, so I will show you where we have to use that BR tag. If I first, then if you want to here, click, and then easily you have to, that is the empty tag BR, then close here. Okay, if you want to type name anywhere, you want to change that out के बाद अगर change करना है, then you use here. Okay, and save it, file and save. Okay, and now here look, that is the line will change. Okay, so that is the BR tag. Inserting headings. The heading tag HN is a container tag used to specify the headings in a web page. An HTML document can have 6 different levels or size of headings, that is H1 to H6. A smaller number suffix after H gives you a bigger sized heading. Okay, small means this is a H1 heading. 1 means more, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so which type of heading you want, then you have to type the H and number. Okay, I will show you how you have to change it. So if I type here heading, okay, whatever is that is a container tag, then you have to type H. Okay, and if you want to type in 1, then H1. Okay, and heading is that endangered animals. Okay, and then you have to close it. This is a container tag, then you have need this a close to also. Okay, now save. Now look here, heading is that endangered animal. Okay, so that is a, I have using the H1. Okay, if you have to type that H2 or H, I have typed H3 for you. H3 is so smaller size than H1. Okay, that headings is too lesser. Okay, that is the way you have to insert the heading, the BR tag and the heading. Okay students, creating paragraphs. So creating paragraph is the P tag. Okay, in which you have to type that alignment also, left, right or center, so whatever is that, then very easy. Okay, H1 and then if you have to type here P, this is also a container tag. P align, and align is equal to what? So align is equal to center. Okay, center, and whatever is typed here, this is typed here, and then after before H1 you have to close that P tag also. Okay students, and now I have changed, this is one heading. Okay, so that is HP paragraph. Now look. Okay, look here, this is the paragraph. In this way you have to change it. Okay, so that is a paragraph tag. Creating paragraph is very easy. Okay, and inserting horizontal line, how you have to insert a horizontal. So okay, that is okay for today. So creating paragraph, that is given on your page number 87. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.